guys, so we're gonna make another video today. I saw that I have 1 subscriber. I don't know how, but I do. Shout out to that guy, whoever you are, cause it didn't let me see who you were. But yeah. So this is the page we have so far. If you don't have this page yet, then you need to go look at other videos, unless you already know how to create this whole page thing. Today I'm gonna show you how to do some stuff. I'm just gonna kinda edit this real quick. Make a border radius because I don't like it whenever it's square, you know, so make it 10 pixels. Okay, so now I have that little curve right there. Let's make it, let's cut this border out right here. And let's make this border, let's make it 10 pixels, solid. Let's make it, I like cyan, yeah, that looks cool. Oh, okay, well, it's a bit too big, so let's make it 5 pixels. Yeah, it looks okay, right here. So this is what we have so far. It messes up. See, whenever you have it small-ish, the border right here messes up. But there, see. But see what we can do with this. Here, I'll show you guys how to underline some stuff in HTML real quick. Let's here go into here, enter, and it's just a U element, kind of self-explanatory, underline, you know. Okay, save that, and there we go. I'm gonna add a break in between these, so BR, and after this, BR. Okay, that looks cool. I like that. Here I'll show you guys how to make a background image, I guess. You have to put a URL thing, cause that's just telling the CSS, the browser, to where to find it, and it's not an href attribute because it's in CSS, not HTML. So first we have to go look for a picture to download. So let's go to Google. Okay, I spelled that completely wrong. Okay, that works. Let's do here. Oops. Okay then. Okay, I just separated them. I'll need that, I guess. Cool. Okay, so this is blue, so we obviously don't want any more blue now because we have enough of it. Let's make it red-ish. So we can do what is red? What is something that is red? Bricks. Bricks would be cool. Why did that come on? Oh well, yeah, okay, whatever. So that looks kind of cool. I like that. That's cool. Yeah, I like that. It's got some like style to it. It's like an angle. It's not like straight headed. Yeah. I'm just gonna wait for it to load completely so I know it's not like really blurry whenever I put it into the page. It's taking a while to load. I don't know why, but it is. Whoa, that lag spike. That lag though. That's cool. Load it. Yeah, I can't get to it. Did it load yet? I don't think we're gonna use that one because it's taking forever to load. Black and white looks cool. I wonder why these are loading. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We should use this one. Come on. You know what? I'm just gonna download it or save it or whatever. Black and white bricks. Oh, we don't want spaces. And white bricks. Okay. It's a PNG. You gotta know that. Oh, okay, that looks pretty good. That looks cool. Okay, so it was black. Okay, can't type today, sorry. Black and white bricks. And do that. And that. Control S. Okay, why didn't you work? Here, let's go here. Let's go and do that. Black and white bricks. .png. That's what I was missing. .png. Or was it PNG file? I don't know. Here, let's just make sure. Just check. Yeah, it was. Okay, that's cool. That messes with my eyes with the black and stuff, so we need to change the color of the H1 here. Color. Let's make it red. So let's make it like an orangish. So that's like green and red, right? So color RGB. Do that. So let's do 100 space 100 or whatever 0 and that Control S. Okay, so that's yellow. Let's make this 50 maybe. Okay, that looks a bit better. Still messing with my eyes though. Here, let's just make it orange. Okay, that looks good. Well, I don't know. Here, let's deal with that other stuff as well. So go down here. That's an H3, I believe. Color. Wait, do I already have an H3? No, I don't. Okay, so color orange. Maybe if everything's orange, it'll look better. Okay, it's still messing with my eyes. Here, let's go down to here and put in yeah, that'll work. Okay, now that's the italics you can't even see unless you highlight it. So let's make the background colors different. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so let's make it red. No, red's gonna mess with my eyes. I want it like a maroon, so let's just put maroon, see if that works. If it's okay, but I want it to be closed in, so we need the margin to be bigger. Margin, inner margin, dash left, dash right. So I think it's gonna need to be like here. Let's look here. Okay, so this was like 580, I think. This was 580 on both sides. So it needs to be, what, 600, 620, something like that. 620 pixels. 620 pixels. Okay, I got that like pretty much exactly correct. So now I think I need to put a border around it. Yeah, border. Solid red. Here I forgot to do 10 pixels. Solid red. Oh, okay, that looks strange. I don't want it 10 pixels. I want it 5. And why are you making this little line below it? What is inside there, I wonder? Nothing's inside there. Okay, here. I'll just put the margin bottom by 40 pixels. Okay, so that just does that. So make margin top. Okay, that does nothing. Like literally nothing. How are we gonna fix that? Could just not put a border, but it doesn't look good without a border. But that's there. Why is that even there though? Here, solid red 5 pixels. Nope, didn't change a single thing. Okay, well, here, I wonder if we add a border radius will make it look better. Border radius. Let's make it by 7 pixels, or no, 10 pixels, since, yeah, usually I just double it. Okay, that looks cool. I really don't want that to be there, though. Here, we also need to put the A in the background. Here, I could just do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so this is gonna be your guys' first thing on IDs. Here, yeah, there. Okay, now that looks like I just erased everything that we just did, but I didn't. Because if we take the A tag right here, and where's that? So put the starting one there. Okay. Control C. And now put in a div tag. Now this is like dividing it into sections so that in CSS you can edit it later. Equals div ID equals, and then quotation marks, background red, and then do that, and then Control V. Okay, so see the first divider tag thing, and then the last div tag. Okay, so Control S and go here. And now to edit the div IDs, there's div classes and then there's div IDs. And for div ID, you put the pound key. So you put pound, and then we named it background red. Yeah, red. Okay, so then just do it like you would normally do it. So background, maroon, or wait, background. Geez, I'm messing up today, guys. Color, maroon, and then do radius, or not radius, border, solid. Here, 5 pixels, 5 pixels, solid, red. Okay, and then border dash radius, 10 pixels. Okay, so let's look at this. See what we changed. Absolutely, oh wow. Okay, so we need to back up and put this div ID first of all up here. Okay, where's the... Okay, we put it at the end of the image. Why did I do that? Okay, so we need... Well, okay. Wait, did we do that? No, we didn't. Okay, so I don't even need this div ID right here. Don't know why it was there in the first place. Okay. Okay, so it's not doing its thing. Background.red. I'll change the div ID to background. Okay, we got it. Okay, I guess it was the period that made it mess up. We need it after the href as well, and why is it not doing that? Div ID, there's not another div ending div tag until there, but it's not including that. Okay, well, I guess that works. Yeah, back or margin right, margin left, 620 pixels, 620 pixels. So that'd be 1240 pixels in total. Oh, I didn't want to do that, but it did. Make it 500. Okay, that looks good. I like that. But that Minecraft thing. Okay, here. I'll just put inside the A right here, background color. It was maroon, border. It was 5 pixels, solid red, border, radius. That was 10 pixels. And I did XP. Okay. There we go. Okay, that looks good. I like this. This looks pretty good. Okay, so you guys can't really tell. This is really only working. It only looks really good because this is a brick image in the background, which I suggest you do because this looks amazing. I don't even know how I came up with that, but there's these there's repeats. I don't know. See, can you see where it like cuts right here? But whoa, do that. But in order to change that, you need to go up here, and there's several different types of rules to put in. Background, dash position is 1. I think it's center is to make it in the center. Background, and the reason why it's center is because X and Y, so like it's in the center of the X and it's in the center of the Y. And then background repeat, and this is how you change that. See, I changed it a bit. Yeah. And where'd you go? Okay, you're down there. But I don't really want that because with the break image, it looks really good by itself. Like that. Okay, and I think we need to add a background on that right there, don't we? I'll put a. I wonder what this RGB is right here, because that looks pretty good. I think it's just 100% blue. Yeah. Okay, so on the H1 background color, blue, right? Or here, what will navy look good? I wonder if navy will look good. Hey, that looks not bad. Okay, I kind of want to increase the border. Border. Let's make that 20. Oh, I put 250. That'd be a bit too big. Make that 40. Control S. Okay, that looks okay. I kind of want it wider though. Here, I think that's called padding. Okay, this is also going to be your first thing on padding. So go here, padding, dash. Here, just do padding. Let's make it 10 pixels at first. Okay, so see, that increases the distance between the text itself and the border around it. So the margin is the space it takes up outside the border, and the padding is inside the border. Okay, so that's how I remember that. Padding, make it 20. Okay, that's really just increasing the bottom and top. So we're gonna do left, and then do padding dash right, 20 pixels. Okay. Now let's bump it up to 40. See, now the margin is getting in the way. Here, I think it looked fine back the way it was, so padding, let's do just 40 pixels, see if that'll work. Okay, yeah, see, the margin keeps on getting in the way, so go back to 20. Okay, that looks fine. The margin left, I think, is getting in the way. 540, 540, they're both 540, so change this to 520, maybe. 520. Change this to 3. Okay, that looks good. I like that. Okay, so, I think this will be the end of our episode. If you have any questions on how I did all this stuff, and any suggestions for me to do, or tutorials or anything for me to do for coding, HTML or CSS, please just comment in the thing. But thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like and do your fun stuff. But bye.